So if you have X and Y coordinates and you want to calculate an address column, you can use the ArcGIS for Excel add-in. And with that, there's this thing called Function Builder in the ArcGIS tab. Once you add that, if you click on that, you will see a little function set pop up. And what this will do is say, okay, for this cell, just like other Excel functions, let's go ahead and do get address. And so then I'll give it a Latin along. Okay. And so for this, do be careful about how you enter this. I am going to just click over here. And then for this one, I'm going to click here. And then I'm going to click on the latitude column because that's going to be the set of coordinates that's going to calculate the address. And then from here, we'll go ahead and hit insert. And from here, we see that this adds the address altogether just like we want it. Now, one thing that I do really like is there's this option here that says breakout address columns. So if we click on that, and then we hit update, what this is going to do is going to add all of the splits for everything like the zip code, road, street, all of the breakdown for the actual address itself. So you do have to watch that. You're going to have to make sure you name these correctly and everything. But I'll just remove those right there. But these will all calculate according to that function. And then from here, you can actually just go take these, pull it down, and then you see all these other addresses are calculating based off of the coordinates in these other rows. So it works just like any other formula or function, but it just does geocoding when you're using the ArcGIS for Excel add-in.